Hi, I'm April with WTI. Do you need help getting into small spaces when cleaning dishes? The OXO Tot Bottle Brush has helped me get into those tight spaces to get them good and clean with ease. The brush head has two types of bristles for gentle cleaning and serious scrubbing. I like the flexible, long neck as it reaches nicely inside bottles, sippy cups, glasses, and so much more. I especially like the detail cleaner tool. It gets into the tight, hard-to-reach spaces where food likes to hide. I also love that the detailing brush is part of the handle. I no longer have to search around the kitchen for multiple tools. This little button here helps it to disassemble and reassemble very nicely, and it locks back into place. With a soft, comfortable polyvinyl grip handle that is non-slip, I feel confident that it won't slip out of my hands when they're wet. The best part is that it comes with this cute and convenient little drying stand that catches any water drips. Even better is how it comes apart for easy cleaning, plus all of the items are dishwasher safe. And that's my point of view.